This is the wild banana. They reproduce sexually and asexually. What we see, that's the flower, is the sporophyte part because it produces spores. They reproduce with flowers when sexual reproduction. They are poisonous and they are part of the bananas family.
This is lecho. What we see here is the sporophyte. The lecho reproduces sexually and asexually. This tree is endangered. After all, the trunk is used for some purposes.
This is the abomelia. It reproduces sexually and asexually. What we see here is the gametophyte stage because it's a dominant state. Okay, frogs lay eggs because of the water in there, and snakes can also use it as a shelter or as places to find food.
This plant reproduces sexually and asexually. It's gametophyte because of its dominant stage. What you see in the middle is the female reproductive organ. This plant is poisonous.
This is Flor del Paraíso. What we see here is the sporophyte stage. We know it is not the gametophyte stage because the gametophyte stage is when the flower grows. It reproduces sexually and asexually. Something special about these plants is that mockingbirds breed on them.
This is the liverwort. We see the gametophyte stage. We know it is the gametophyte stage because it is large. It reproduces asexually and sexually. There are 8,500 species of it, and it lives in the tropics.
This is a fern. What we see here is the sporophyte. We know it's the sporophyte because we can see the spores. They reproduce sexually and asexually. They can grow in rocks and almost anywhere where there is rain and shade.